we have to run water. I'll show you on the other well how to do it, but to start this pump, we gotta check the oil all the time.
So neither well are set up to automatically start a generator,
The wells will not start these engines.
but the lift stations will.
The lift stations will, yeah, and the treatment plant. So this old guy is, here's the ignition switch. The first thing you gotta do is turn the gas on and the cooling water, which is here. Then here's the ignition switch. This is the throttle. So I tend to open this all the way up till it starts. And then we let it warm up. If you guys have to, for whatever reason, run a backup engine when you're here, do well too, because that's a newer system. It's got a better generator down there. It'll just be nicer for you. So we'll go over that one down there. They're pretty much the same. This one, the coupler's a little different. This has pins on the right angle drive where it drops down. The other one you got a bolt in, but pretty much the same concept. And there will be instructions in both well houses how to do how to run each one.
Do you want to turn the power off?
Oh yeah, yeah. You got to turn the power off if you're going to run this.
Yep.
You don't want that motor starting back up on you.
Right.
And then obviously, when you're done, just shut it back down. The other one is much more automatic, so I'll
I'm
show you.
assuming these lift stations and the wastewater plant, because they're on automatic generators, that when the house power comes back on,
They'll shut
shut
down.
off themselves.
Yep.
Restart on the house power.
Yep. There's one lift station that serves the community that we have to worry about if there's no power because there's no generator there. So that's the other thing. If there's no power for a while, we got to keep an eye on that lift station, and I'll show you where that is.